ancient days there lived Ringra, Racha, Balsa Gitel, Kona Racha. Sikna Gitel was the patriarch of the tailor birds, known as pinchep to the Achiks. He was once the biggest and heaviest of all the creatures in the whole world. He was so big and heavy that he could not sit on anything for a long time. Beneath his weight, the earth sunk. Any rock on which he rested was immediately pushed into the earth. Everything gave way to the enormous weight of the patriarch of tailor birds. The result of all this was that the wretched bird was forced to keep flying as long as he could. At length, unable to endure any longer the agony of sustaining his tremendous weight most of the time on his wings, the miserable tailor bird made his way to the abode of Bahbra, Dakgipa, Rugipa, Ma.gipa Jagring, the mother goddess, and earnestly besought her to reduce the size of his body and thus relieve him of his intolerable predicament. The bird's prayer was granted, and his enormous body was cut into pieces by the goddess and distributed to other creatures. His thighs were given to the elephant, the flesh of his head to the buffalo, portions of his neck to the bison and the bullock. Ultimately, the patriarchal tailor bird was reduced to one of the smallest birds. His descendants remain so up to this very day, but they are most happy and contented to be so. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe for more updates.